Hi everyone, welcome to Chandan Logics. You all know that students who are preparing for bank, SSC, railway, police, defense, CSAT and other competitive exams are very familiar about Chandan Logics. Why the reason is, Chandan Logics have trained lakhs of students, and out of those lakhs of students, already thousands of students secured government jobs in various sectors. Now, how this is possible to us? This is possible to us only because of our expert faculty team and our exclusive designed curriculum for examination. If you observe our expert faculty team, each and every faculty is having vast experience and they're having in-depth subject knowledge based on the present examination pattern, and they have trained lakhs of students. And coming to our curriculum, we have designed our curriculum in such a way that our video lectures are completely digital interactive video lectures where we are going to teach each and every subject in depth, complete concept oriented teaching and complete time saving techniques based on the recent examinations. And we are going to conduct mock examinations also. These mock examinations are exclusively based on the real-time experience of what actual examination is going to happen. And we are going to provide you complete concept-oriented PDF materials also. If you are a serious aspirant and looking for the right platform to achieve your dream job, download Chandan Logics app.
Let us look at the next question. What next question is saying? While tabulation of marks scored in an examination by the students of a class, by mistakenly the marks scored by one student got recorded as 93. Now this is wrongly noted as 93 in place of 63. Now correct value is 63 but it is wrongly noted as 93. Thereby the average marks increased by 0.5. So average increased by 0.5. When I say average increased by 0.5, what do you mean by that? Average is nothing but whatever that is going to have in common, that is nothing but average. If I say average increased by 0.5, each and every number is increased by 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. The same happened here also. Now your question is, what was the number of students in the class? Now this is like very simple question. Just observe here. What is the wrong value? Wrong value is 93. What is the correct value? Correct value is nothing but 63. Just take the difference. Just take the difference. 93 and 63 difference is 30. Yes or no? Now what question is saying? Due to this 30 difference, what happened is average is increased by 0.5. Average increased by 0.5 means each and every number is increased by 0.5. So total how many numbers are there, or total how many students are there? Total how many students are there means very simple. Just observe here carefully. What is the difference here? Difference is 30. And due to this 30 difference, each and every student increased by 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. So 30 by 0.5, which is going to be how much? This is going to be 60. So we can say that how many number of students are there means number of students are nothing but total 60 students. Just simple question. Just you take the difference. After taking the difference, question it was mentioned like due to this error value, average is increased by 0.5. As average is increased by 0.5 due to this 30 difference. Total how many students are there means 30 divided by 0.5, which is nothing but 60. So total students are like 60 students. Due to this 30 difference, what happened is these 60 students increased by 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. That's it. Okay. Let us look at the next question. So what is the next question? The average age of a number of persons in a group was calculated as 35 years, which was 2.5 years more than the correct average, as there was an error in recording the age of two persons as 38.5 and 40 years instead of 29 years and 22 years, which means these are like wrong average. So these are like wrong values and these are like correct values. Now your question is the number of persons in the group was. Now even this question is also similar to the previous question. Okay, just observe here carefully. Now what the question is saying, the whole group average is how much? Whole group average is like 35. But two numbers were taken wrongly. Two numbers. What are those two numbers? One is like 38.5 and other is like 40. But what are the correct values? Correct values are nothing but 29 and 22. So actually speaking, the correct values are 29, 22, but wrongly entered as 38.5 and 40. Due to this, what happened? Due to this, the question is saying average is increased or average changed by 2.5 years more. Now your question is total how many percents are there? Just add this. If you are going to add these numbers, 38 plus 48 is 78. So total it is going to be 78.5. Yes or no? Similarly, 29 plus 22 is nothing but how much? It is going to be 40 plus 11, which is 51. So just take the difference. If you take the difference, it is going to be how much? 27.5. So difference is going to be 27.5. So due to this 27.5 difference, now what happened to average? Average is 2.5 times more. Now your question is total number of percents. So total number of percents, if you need to find this 2.75 more, due to this average became 2.5 times more. So calculate this. 2.75 cancels in 2.5. How many times? 27.5 cancels in 2.5, total 11 times. So we can say that answer for this question is nothing but 11. Just simple question. So just what you need to do is like take the difference is 27.5. So we know that due to this 27.5 difference, what happened is average is increased by 2.5 times. As average increased by 2.5 times, so difference is 27.5 divided by 2.5. So when you calculate this, it is going to be 11, which means total number of persons in the group. How many means 11 persons? Okay. Next question. A student finds the average of 10 two-digit numbers. While copying numbers by mistake, he writes one number with its digits interchanged. As a result, his answer is 2.7 less than the correct answer. The difference of the digits of the numbers in which he made mistake is. Now this question is like very good question. Observe the question clearly, read the question clearly, then solving this question will become easy. Now what this question is saying is, a student is trying to calculate average for 10 two-digit numbers. While he is copying those numbers, mistakenly what he has done is, for one number he has interchanged the digits. Interchange the digits meaning is like, let us say if a two-digit number is AB, interchange means it is like BA. Simple example, he need to write the number as 14, 1 4 14, but he has reversed it or he has interchanged it and he has written it as 41. Due to this, what happened means, due to this the number got 2.7 less than the previous answer. Now your question is, what is the difference in the digits of that number which was entered wrongly? Okay. Now first I will show you procedure to solve this question. Later on I will show you simple trick to solve the same question. Okay. Now according to this question, out of 10 numbers, 9 numbers are written correctly. Yes or no? Out of 10 numbers, 9 numbers are written correctly. Now it is said that after 9 numbers, one number has noted interchange. Now these are like two-digit numbers. As these are two-digit numbers, I can write two-digit number as AB. Now this AB can be written as 10A plus B. Yes or no? Why? Because this A is in tens place and B is in units place. So AB can be written as 10A plus B. So now this is going to be 10A plus B. Yes or no? So observe here carefully. These are like 9 numbers and this is our 10th number. So 10th number is nothing but 10A plus B. Now as it is average, so divide by 10. Total you have 10 numbers, divided by 10. Now what is the average of all these numbers? We does not know what is the average. Let us assume the average as A. Now what happened if this number digits are interchanged, which means AB is written as BA. If AB is written as BA, then BA can be written as 10B plus A. Yes or no? Interchange. If it is going to be interchange, then what happened? These 9 numbers, there is no change. 9 numbers will be same as it is. but this 10th number interchanged, AB interchanged as BA, then it is going to be 10B plus A. As it is average, so divide by 10. Now due to this, what happened? The answer is going to get less. How much less? Answer is going to get, how much less means 2.7 less. Initially it is A, now it is going to be A minus 2.7. Now your question is what? Your question is to find the difference between the digits. Difference between the digits means difference between A, B. This was your question. Why? Because we have taken the two-digit number as AB. As we have taken the two-digit number as AB, difference is nothing but A, B difference you need to supposed to find. Okay. Now what you will do is like subtract this. If you are going to subtract this, what happen? If you are going to subtract this, 9 numbers and 9 numbers gets cancelled. Why? Because these 9 numbers are exactly same to same. So 9 numbers gets cancelled. Now if you subtract here, 10A minus A is nothing but 9A. Similarly, B minus 10B is nothing but minus 9B. As it is average, so divide by 10 is equal to A minus of A minus 2.7 is nothing but 2.7. Now from this, if I am going to simplify, if I take 9 common, this is going to be 9 of A minus B divided by 10 is equal to 2.7. So from this, A difference B is going to be 2.7 into 9 divided by 10. Yes or no? If you're going to calculate this, answer is going to be how much? 3. Sorry, just I have done a mistake here. This is going to be 2.7 into 10 divided by 9. 2.7 into 10 is like 27. 27 divided by 9 is nothing but 3. So we can say that answer for this question is like 3. Now truly speaking, in examination point of view, do we need to do this calculation? Means this calculation is not required. In examination point of view, what you need to do is like you need to write this step directly. If you write this step directly, then you can get this answer in fraction of seconds. Then how to write this step directly instead of doing all this calculation? So what I will do is like how to write this step directly. Observe here carefully. If you look here, what is the difference you got here? Difference is 2.7. So write that 2.7. As you got 2.7 difference, write the 2.7. Here you have how many numbers? 10 numbers. As you have 10 numbers, it is going to be into 10. Divided by 9. Okay. As it is two-digit numbers, you need to take it as 9. 2.7 into 10 divided by, as it is two-digit numbers, you need to take it as 9. Now calculate 2.7 into 10 is nothing but 27. 27 cancels in 9. How many times? 3 times. So I can say that difference in the digits is nothing but 3. Okay. Now let us example, if I give you one more question. So again the same question. Due to this, what happened is, out of these 10 numbers, one number is interchanged. As it is interchanged, what happened is the average difference is 1.8. If we get a difference of average as 1.8, now your question is what is the difference between those digits? Simple, as it is 1.8 and you have 10 numbers. Now this is 1.8 into 10. As it is 10 numbers of two-digit numbers, so divide by 9. So divide by 9. 1.8 into 10 is 18. 18 cancels in 9. How many times? 2 times. So we can say answer is 2. Very simple. Just take whatever the difference you got into 10. Why? Because you have 10 numbers. Divide by 9. Why? Because these are like two-digit numbers. If you do this calculation, you can get those answers much faster without doing any calculation. Okay. Let us look at the next question. A student calculated the average of 10 three-digit numbers. Look here, in this question it is 3-digit numbers. Previously it is 2-digit numbers, now it is 3-digit numbers. But due to mistake, he reversed the digit of a number and thus his average increased by 19.8. So average increased by 19.8. The difference between the unit digit and 100 digit of the number is. So we are asked to find the difference between unit digit and difference between 100 digit of the number. Now look here. Initially it is like 2-digit number. I have taken it as AB. Now it is 3-digit number. 3-digit number is nothing but ABC. Yes or no? If it is interchange, it is going to be CBA. Yes or no? Now ABC can be written as 100A plus 10B plus C. Yes or no? Similarly, CBA can be written as 100C plus 10B plus A, yes or no? Now, if you calculate this, out of those 10 numbers, 9 numbers are going to be same anyway. Now, the remaining number is nothing but 3-digit number ABC. As it is 3-digit number ABC, we need to write it as 100A plus 10B plus C. And let us say average is like A. And later what happened? Later what happened is, again, these 9 numbers are same as it is. 9 numbers are same as it is. But this last number is interchanged. As it is interchanged, it is going to be 100C plus 10B plus A. And due to this, what happened is, average increased by 19.8. Initially average is A. If initial average is A, now it is going to be A plus 19.8. Now they are asking us to find what is the difference between unit digit and 100 digit. Now simple, same procedure. As it is 10 numbers, divide by 10, divide by 10. Why? Because we are calculating average here. So if you take the difference, what is going to happen here? 9 numbers gets cancelled. Now 100A minus A is nothing but 99A. Okay. Similarly, plus 10B minus 10B gets cancelled. Why? Because 10B minus 10B gets cancelled. Now this is C minus 100C is nothing but minus 99C is equal to how much? A minus of A plus 19.8 is nothing but minus 19.8. Okay. Now if we calculate this, if I take 99 common, now what is going to be? 99 into A minus C divided by 10. Why? Because as this is average, don't forget you need to have divided by 10 is equal to how much? Means 19.8. Why? Because this negative value is not really important. Why? We are trying to calculate the difference. As it is difference, it may be A difference C or C difference A. It's not really important. So that is reason 19.8. So if you calculate this, A difference C is going to be 19.8 into 10 divided by 99. So 19.8 into 10 is nothing but 198. 198 cancels in 99. How many times? 198 cancels in 99. How many times? Means 2 times. So we can say that difference in the digits is nothing but 2. Very, very simple question. In examination point of view, how to solve this question? In examination point of view, just observe here carefully. Simple, whatever we have done earlier, again the same shortcut we are going to apply. If it is going to come in examination, what you need to do is like take the difference. Difference is 19.8. As it is 10 numbers, so into 10. But as it is 3-digit numbers, now you need to take it as 99. Initially it is like 2-digit numbers. If it is 2-digit numbers, you need to take it as divided by 9. If it is 3-digit numbers, now in this question it is 3-digit numbers, you need to take it as 99. Okay. Now 19.8 into 10 is nothing but 198. 198 cancels in 99. How many times? 2 times. So answer is like 2. So whenever you have questions in this way, you not do all this calculation. Instead of doing all this calculation, what you have to do is like just take the difference value whatever you have into 10. As you have 10 numbers, into 10. You are going to divide it by 9 when it is 2-digit number. But when it is 3-digit number, you need to divide it by 99. Okay, is that clear? Let us look at the next one. These are like very good questions. Let us look at the next question. If the average of 3 2-digit numbers is 48, so the like 3 2-digit numbers, average is like 48, and the average of the numbers obtained by reversing the order. If I am going to reverse, then what happened to average? Then it is going to be 3 more than the average of the numbers. What is the sum of all the digits of numbers? We are asked to find the sum of all the digits of the numbers. Now the question is saying 3 2-digit numbers. Now what I will do? I will assume the 3 2-digit numbers as A, B, C, D, E, F. 3 2-digit numbers. Now one number is like A, B, another number is like C, D, and another number is like E, F. So when I say in this question it is said like the average of these numbers is 48. Now what I can do? I can write these numbers as 10A plus B, similarly plus 10C plus D plus 10E plus F divided by 10. Sorry, divided by 3. that is nothing but average. Now divide by 3 is equal to how much? 48. Now this is average. If I need to calculate sum, then what happen? Multiply this with 3. If I need to calculate sum, just multiply it with 3. Now into 3, which means sum of these 3 numbers is going to be 48 into 3. Now what question is saying? If we are going to interchange, means AB should be written as BA. Similarly, CD is written as DC. Similarly, EF is written as FE. If you are going to interchange, then what happened to average? Average is 3 more, it is saying. Now look here, if I am going to write this, it is going to be 10B plus A. 10B plus A. Similarly, 10D plus C plus 10F plus E is equal to, now 3 more means initial average is 58. Now 3 more means, initial average is 48. 3 more means it is going to be 51. 51 into 3. Yes or no? Now calculate. You are asked to find what? You are asked to find the sum of these digits. As you are asked to find sum of digits, add this. If you are going to add this, 10A plus A, 11A. B plus 10B, 11B. 10C plus C, 11C. Now, which means if you add all these numbers, it is going to be 11 times of. I am taking 11 common. So, it is going to be A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F is equal to, when you add this, 48 plus 51 is nothing but 99. So, 99 into 3. Yes or no? So calculate this. 99 cancels in 11. How many times? 9 times. So 9 into 3, it is going to be 27. So I can say that answer for this question is going to be 27. So what is the sum of all the digits in the number? Sum of all the digits in the number is nothing but 27. Very, very good question. Now what you have to do is like read the question clearly. If read the question clearly, even if the question is like complicated, then you can mark these answers very easily. Now I am going to explain it one more time. Observe here carefully. The question is saying like the average of 3 numbers, there is like 3 2-digit numbers is 48. Now what happen if he is going to interchange those numbers, then average is going to be 3 more. Average is going to be 3 more. He is asking what is the sum of those digits. So now what I have taken? I have taken the numbers as AB, CD, EF. Now if I write those numbers, it is going to be 10A plus B, 10C plus D, 10E plus F. Now sum of these digits is going to be, or sum of these numbers is going to be 48 into 3. Why? Because if average is 48, sum is going to be 48 into 3. Similarly, when it is reversed, it is going to be 10B plus A plus 10D plus C plus 10F plus C is equal to average increased by 3, so 51 into 3. Now he is asking sum of these digits. As he is asking sum of these digits, add these 2 equations. When you add these 2 equations, it will be 11 times of A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F is equal to 99 into 3. When you simplify this one, you are going to get sum of all the digits as 27. Okay. So all these questions are like pretty good questions. We are going to cover all the models and we are going to cover all the patterns and we are going to cover from basic level questions to advanced level questions. So what you guys need to do is like you need to practice them a lot. If you are going to practice them a lot, then even if the question is like complicated questions, then you can mark those answers very easily. Okay. So with this model, with this question, this model is like completed.
If you're a serious aspirant and if you're looking for right platform to achieve your dream job, immediately download Chandan app. For more details, contact below numbers. Thank you. All the best.